A very good morning to dear parents and dear students. I am here again with all of you and I am with a new English session here. So today is 23rd April. We are moving on further with our classes. I hope you all are geared up and you are not so like we are not doing homework today or we will be doing it tomorrow. So don't shift it on tomorrow. Just this is a every subject has been assigned a day for giving homework. Every teacher is giving homework on a particular day for each subject. So you should be doing it on that basis only. It will not be then piled up and you are not so overburdened with the homework. So keep doing it a little bit, thoda thoda karke. We will be doing the syllabus and we'll move on further slowly so that it is easy for me and you also to cover up together. So the alphabetical order we were doing, as yesterday we have done one exercise about I have given you 10 words and you have to sort it out in accordance with alphabetical order, and it's only about what we have in alphabet, English alphabet 26 letters वो जिस सीरीज में लिखे जाते हैं उसको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. सो उसी ऑर्डर में हमें सिर्फ ABC सीरीज ध्यान रखनी है एंड वी हैव टू पाई मेक फैमिलीज इफ दे हैव सिमिलर इनिशियल लेटर्स. अगर हमें लगता है उस ग्रुप में 2 3 4 कितने भी एक ही लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स हैं तो हम पहले उनकी फैमिलीज बना लेते हैं एंड देन वी सॉर्ट इट आउट बाय गिविंग नंबर्स. ओके, I have given you certain examples also where we use alphabetical order. It's very simple. We find it in the dictionaries, we find it in the direct phone directories, or nowadays directories are not there. पहले क्या होता था, every like एरिया मस्ट बी हैविंग अ बुक. जैसे डिक्शनरी होती है वैसी फोन डायरेक्टरी थी, वहाँ पे सबके लैंडलाइन नंबर्स जो होते थे दैट वर रजिस्टर्ड इन दैट, और वी कैन टेक हेल्प टू फाइंड समवंस नंबर. लेकिन अब वो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती है. रेयरली वी फाइंड अ फोन डायरेक्टरी. सो what happened, we just came up with mobile phones. So there is a phone book in the mobile phone. Context में जब जाएंगे you can see the order, alphabetical order there also. You can see the alphabetical order in the class attendance register. So many other examples where we apply this alphabetical order. Okay, so moving on further, if you have books, जिनके पास books हैं, they will be connecting more comfortably. So there is the next exercise which is based on like we have to unscramble some words, and these are basically the names of animals. We have to unscramble, यानी कि कुछ जो animal names हैं वो उनके letters आगे पीछे लिखे हुए हैं, उलट पुलट हैं, and we have to think and we have to unscramble it. उसको हमें बिल्कुल करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लगा के प्रॉपर नेम बनाना है. एंड देन जब हमारे पास सारे नेम्स आ जाएंगे एनिमल्स के, then we have to do it like we have to place them in accordance with alphabetical order also. तो हमें दो काम करने हैं. पहले हमें वो जो जंबल वर्ड्स हैं, स्क्रैम्बल्ड वर्ड्स हैं, उनको हमें करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लगाना है टू मेक एनिमल्स नेम, वन एनिमल्स नेम. एक एनिमल का नाम बनेगा उसमें से. वी हैव टू थिंक ओवर इट एंड डू इट. So I am writing here and you are also supposed to write only those who are not having the book. Okay, if you have the grammar book you can do it in that also. Okay, so I am doing for both. Like the exercise says, unscramble names of these animals. So this is the problem given to us. Unscramble the names of these animals. I'll be writing and you have to write with me if you don't have the book. If you have the book, you can just wait and we'll solve it together. Okay, the first word is, I am just writing the scrambled one. So this is the one. I am putting a dash, and the second one is okay. Then we have third, fourth, fifth, sixth is 7th. Then we have 9th here. You can find it as it is in the book, in your grammar book. आपको ये as it is मिल जाएगी exercise. And start thinking over. जिनके पास book है, don't waste your time. Just start thinking over कि क्या animal names बन सकते हैं इनमें से. Okay. So this is TCA. I'm writing here 12th. RESOH. Here is the answer. Then 13th. So I am not having much space, so I am doing it like this. LEMCA. 14th. I have FFGIRE. Let it be like more clear for you. Okay. 15th. BIRBAT. ये सब उलट पुलट लिखा है. Letters are not on the proper place. So you have to think and you have to write the correct animal name. This is a big hint. इसमें से कुछ और नहीं बनेगा. Animal का ही नाम बनेगा. So we have to think according to it. So I have done with my exercise. Like I have put all the words on the board. Now starting with the first one, I'll be giving you some hints if it is possible in each. So you must try out yourself that what animal name is it supposed to be, and we'll be writing the names here in the dashes given, and then after that we'll be putting them in correct alphabetical order. Okay, so starting with this KNOYEM. So just play around the letters. आपको इसमें ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द वेरियस एनिमल नेम्स एंड जस्ट थिंक इसमें वाई भी है, एम भी है, के भी है, ई एंड ओ. एंड आई विल गिव यू अ हिंट दैट दिस एनिमल, this particular animal loves to eat bananas. Yes, you most of you got it right. That is a monkey. So write the answer there. Okay, MONKEY, monkey. Monkey loves to eat bananas. So that was the hint. Now coming to number 2. Okay, I will not create the sound of this particular like it's very much similar to this one. It's very much similar to this one, and it's actually similar and only one letter is different. So just think of an animal which has same kind of a same spelling, and it's spelled like pronunciated same, but only the initial letter is different. Monkey जैसा एक और word जो दूसरे animal को हम बुलाते हैं, but सिर्फ पहला letter different है. Okay, it is, yes. If you compare the letters, everything is same except like here it is M and there it is D. So monkey, and this one is donkey. We don't call it as donkey. We say it as donkey. It is monkey and this is donkey. Okay, so we have done up to 2. Let us move on to the third one. And P-Hilton. It's not like what should be. PEAP. P. No, ऐसा कोई animal नहीं है. So I'll give you the hint for this word. Like it is a giant animal creature. बहुत बड़ा है, विशाल है. It has what should I? Trunk. उसके पास trunk भी है. It is giant. बहुत बड़ा creature है. It has a trunk also. It has big ears. Yes, it is an elephant. So write down elephant. Okay. So now for this, FOWL, fowl. No. Loaf. Loaf is not an animal name. So think about what kind of animal name is this. I'll give you a different hint for this. For which group do we use the collective noun pack? I suppose I am expecting answers. A pack of wolves. Very good. So this animal name is wolf, the singular form. Okay, WOLF. I hope you all are getting this कि हमें करना क्या है. We have to just think of animal names and just try it out. जरूरी नहीं आपको फर्स्ट टाइम में सही आएगा. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में आ भी रहा है तो try to write it down. अगर गलत लगता है तो obviously आपके letters different होंगे. So XFO, expo. This animal, especially this animal, is very 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 clever. This is very clever animal, and you must have been having an idea of which animal is this. Yes, it is very easy to pretend, come up with the idea because it has only three letters. So if we do it like this, XOF is not an animal, no. XFO already लिखा है. So FOX, fox. Fox is an animal name. Yes. So we'll put it here. FOX, fox. And foxes are very clever. Like fox is a clever animal. GDO, similar to this has only three letters. तो इसको आप बहुत जल्दी से लाइक इधर उधर करके लिख के देख सकते हैं. There is nothing like कि बहुत देर लग जाएगी. So GDO is nothing like that. God, God बन जाएगा. God is not an animal. Like we cannot. There is nothing like ऐसा कोई नाम नहीं है. So then coming up to the last option, DOG, dog. Yes, this is our answer. Okay, and this one, EGTIR, eater. No. Let it be like I give you the hint like it. This animal has stripes on its body, and it belongs to cat family. So I hope this is clear. Cat family का member है और इसकी body पे stripes होते हैं. ठीक है? तो yes, you got it right. This is tiger. Tiger. Nilo. Nilo is not an animal name, but I'll give you the hint about this animal that this is the king of the jungle. Yes, it is lion. L-I-O. And don't ever say it like lion. It's not lion, it is lion. Okay, so this eighth number is lion. Then we have R-A-B-E, rabe. Rabe is not an animal name. It is big, it is like, it's fatty and it's hairy. It's hairy, and what do you call it like? And poo, the character poo. So we call, what we call poo. Poo के आगे हम और क्या बोलते हैं? We need the poo bear. Yes, this is bear. B-E-A-R. It is hairy, it is fatty, and it is cute. Bears are like sweet. It's bear. Okay. So bizarre. Bizarre is nothing like कुछ भी ऐसा animal name नहीं है bizarre. I'll give you the hint again. जैसे इसमें stripes होते हैं, stripes are also there with this animal. उसकी body पे भी stripes है, but the particular color is white and black. White and black. So you got it right. White, black. So it's clear. It's zebra. Okay. So this is very simple. TCA is not nothing like that. ACT, act, कोई नाम नहीं है. CAT बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे. CAT cat, BAT bat, RAT rat. Rat is not a rat नहीं है. So RESOH, reso. I'm just doing it. जो लिखा है उसको पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but it is meaningless. RESOH. So this animal basically what this is used for like riding. Some of us and most of us like this riding on this animal, and yes, it is very like powerful, and it's a symbol of like what should I say? It's a symbol of power के लिए भी हम यही word use करते हैं when we are defining someone's power, like it has this much horsepower. So yes, you got it right. This animal is horse. ठीक है, horse riding is very like everybody likes it to ride on a horse. And this it's very easy to give a hint about this animal. LEMCA, lemka. If it is limca, it would have made some sense, but lemka, this animal is called the ship of the desert. Yes, you got, everybody should be knowing it. It's camel. Okay. And again coming to this animal has a long neck. Yes, you all know the answers. So it is giraffe. Giraffe. Now birbet. If it had been L, birbal के बारे में हमने सुना है. but it is birbet. Birbet is not an animal name. Let us unscramble these letters and try to make an animal name. These are very cute animals. These are basically like we these are very fluffy, soft, and they eat carrots. Okay, the big hint is they eat carrots. They love to eat carrots. So this is rabbit. And the last one we have TOAG. Toig is nothing. And if we just flip the first and last letter G here and T there, GOAT, got. Okay, so we have done up to like what we were supposed to do with the first task कि हमें क्या करना था. एक तो हमें इन सब स्क्रैम्बल लेटर्स में से एनिमल नेम्स निकालने थे. सो वी गॉट इट. हमें एनिमल्स नेम तो मिल गए हैं. नाउ व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट टास्क? इट इज रिटन इन द बुक आफ्टर दिस एक्सरसाइज. उसके नीचे लिखा है नाउ arrange all these animal names in alphabetical order. For this, what I am going to do is I'll be cleaning this, erasing these like jumbled letters, so it will not be confusing. And we'll put numbers here now. Like हम numbers लिखेंगे इनके लिए ताकि आपको clear हो जाए कौन सा पहले आना है और कौन सा बाद में. Okay. So I hope this is clear now. You must have been doing it in the book. So if I put numbers now, it would be more clear. क्योंकि पहले already numbers लिखे हुए थे तो वो बहुत confusing हो जाता. So now we have answers only. हमारे पास सिर्फ answers हैं और इन्हीं answers को हमें alphabetical order में arrange करना है to get the solution of the second task we are supposed to do here. So coming up with the like first letter, circle कर देते हैं. Underline already dashes हैं वहाँ पर, so it will again be confusing. So this is monkey. M E F T B C G. अभी तक कुछ repeat नहीं हुआ है. Good. Then we have again D. D भी repeat नहीं हुआ है अभी. W is not repeated. D again. So we have two D's here. Lion L, Z zebra, horse H, R. R is there? No, R is not there. G again. G we have in giraffe, and C again we have camel and cat. So it's very easy. हमारे पास सिर्फ थोड़े से ही डाउट्स हैं like donkey and dog, camel and cat and giraffe and god. बाकी सबको हम easily sort out कर सकते हैं. तो coming up with like ABC, what we call alphabetical order, the sequence. So we'll remind it one by one, and the letters coming up हम उनके according उसको number देते जाएंगे. तो starting with A, is there any animal name with A here? No. So B. Yes, we have an animal name B here, so I am putting number 1 for bear. So bear is on number 1 because A से कोई animal name हमारे पास इस list में नहीं है. So bear is the first one. C. Now we have cat and camel. So okay, C and C common. Moving on to the next letter. A again common. T M. So what comes first? M or T? M N O P Q R S T. So that means camel आएगा number 2 पे, and then this is number 3. Okay, sorted out. Now we have after C कौन सा letter आता है alphabet में? That is D. Donkey and dog we have. Again we have the confusion D O D O. दोनों letters same है. Moving on to the third one. N G. N और G में से कौन सा पहले आता है ABC में? Yes, G is coming on the like before N. So this is number 4 and this is number 5. Sorry. Now moving on further, D के बाद in alphabet, English alphabet we have E. So E we have only one, that is elephant, so it will come on number 6. F, yes we have F, fox. 7. E F G, again we have two animal names with G. Giraffe and goat. It is very simple. G common है, but it's here I and then O. So I पहले आता है. It's number 8 and this is number 9. This is how simple it is. Okay, बहुत जल्दी करेंगे आप. After goat we have G H. Horse. We have horse here. Number 10. Okay, H I. We don't have any animal name with I. J. No. K. I-J-K. No, L. We have lion. Number 11. M. We have monkey. Number 12. N. Do we have N here? No. M-N-O-P. We don't have P. Q. No. R. We have rabbit. Number 13. S. No. T. Tiger. 14. U. V. W. We have wolf. Number 15. And then zebra. Number 16 at the end. We have 16 words. We have 16 animal names with us. And we have done it. पहला टास्क हमने क्या किया? We had to find out some names, animal names, and it was quite simple. आप शायद मुझसे जल्दी कर लेते, but I wanted to give you some hints for the animal names, and I suppose कि शायद थोड़ा help मिल जाएगा आपको. It is nothing like जब ये चीजें आती है ना, like unscramble these words, you have to think about your previous knowledge only. उसमें आपको कुछ नया knowledge देने की जरूरत नहीं है, because it is given, because आपको animal names already पता है. हमने सिर्फ उनके लेटर्स को आगे पीछे किया है. यू हैव टू जस्ट रिवाइंड योर मेमोरी एंड यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ एनिमल नेम्स. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एग्जैक्टली उस आंसर पे पहुंच जाओगे. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट कि अब 3 लेटर्स थे तो उसी चीज के बारे में सोचिए, उसी एनिमल नेम्स के बारे में जो छोटे से हैं 3-4 लेटर्स, और फिर उनमें से कुछ चूज करो. ऑब्वियसली आपके पास 3-4 चॉइसेस आएंगी, उनमें से एक सही निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड सम ऑफ यू मस्ट बी हैविंग लाइक वो पहली बार में भी सही कर सकते हैं. सो जो मैंने हिंट्स दिए वो जरूरी नहीं आपको भी चाहिए. It was just for like more making this interesting to do. Boring exercise आ रहे, but still आपके पास जो unscramble वाली exercises होती हैं, crosswords होते हैं, the exercises like this, वो हमेशा आपकी previous knowledge पे ही बनते हैं. It is not like कि ऐसी चीज दी जाएगी जिसके बारे में आपको पता ही नहीं. मैं ऐसा scrambled word दे दूँ जो आपने आज तक सुना ही नहीं है, मे बी किसी ने सुना हो, but most of you have not heard about it. तो वो चीज कुछ भी, it is not fruitful. So ऐसी चीजें हमेशा कंफ्यूजन में दी जाती हैं that are already known by you. Okay, sorry, so something is wrong here. Now this was supposed to be first task. Then जब हमारे पास exact names आ चुके थे, animal names, we were supposed to arrange them in alphabetical order. वो हमने यहाँ पर किया है. And I hope this is much clear now कि कैसे करना है. Just go through ABCD and the words coming up उनको सीधा आप numbering देते जाएंगे. Then make a list. So those who are having books, they can find it there in the book, and you have to solve it right there. और अगर आपको वहाँ पे कोई space नहीं है एक list बनाने के लिए alphabetical order में, आपको ऐसे ही numbers देने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है. और जिनके पास नहीं है, they have to note it down in the notebook for meanwhile. अभी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा, and when you get the books, you can note it down there also. So this is for Thursday, like on 23rd we have Thursday, and we'll be meeting on Monday again with this topic only, because we have to be doing it because so many exercises are left in this chapter. And done for this session. I hope you enjoyed, and see you soon on Monday. Stay safe. Bye bye.